Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you that how you will make flowchart in the PowerPoint. It is a very easy process. Let's start it. First of all, open PowerPoint, then let's go to the view. In the view, turn on the guidelines. It will help you that where you will put your objects. Then go to the home, and if you don't know the where is the drawing, then go to insert, and the insert go to the shapes. There are a lot of shapes, then you can select according to your need. So I will just select this one, the start one, and I will draw it. For drawing, just select it and drag it, and you can adjust the size later, or you can do it on the spot. Then I will select another size or another objects. So I will draw this by selecting and drag it. You can adjust the size by increasing, decreasing, whatever you want. Then I will add more objects according to my requirements. So I will just do it quickly, and I will do adjustment. After that I will add another object, and then I will take multiple copy from it. So first I will draw this objects, and then I will take multiple copies. And how you will take the multiple copies, just hold the shift button and control and drag upside and downside at which side you want a multiple. Now if you want to do alignment, select all, then go to the shape format. In the shape format, go to the align and distribute vertically, so it will equally distribute the objects. There are many videos of alignment and properly distribution of objects on my YouTube channel. You can check that how it works. Then I will draw my last objects to the end of the process. So it will be a circle. Then I will make it a line, and then I will add one more objects. You can add as many objects as you want. That how long or short is your process. And so now I will make it to middle align. So per shapes I will go this, and I will select align middle, and then I will distribute equally so it looks beautiful. Then I will select these three and also align it in shape format. So it is just like a makeup to the flowchart, alignment and all those things. It looks beautiful. So now I will connect it. For connection I need an arrow. I will take the arrow from there, and then I will just select it where I want. Then I will take multiple copies from the arrow by holding the control button and drag this object. And after that, if you need a multiple lines, you can add as many lines as from the drawing. It is a very easy process. Just go to a drawing sections and take the arrows that you like it. I will take this multiple lines, okay, and one line for that one. Yeah, so this is it. Now if you want to change the color, it's very easy. So for changing the color, you just select the object, then go to the shape format and select the color, which color you like. If you like the blue, green, whichever color you like, you can select from the objects. For example, I will select the blue one here, and then I can also change the outline color. So I will select the green. Yeah, green is good. And then I will increase its width up to 4, 5, 6 points, which size you like. I will look at, but this color don't match equal, so I will change the interior and also lighter green. So now it's good. Now I want to apply the same color in all of these, so I will select that and go to home, go to format painter, and apply the same format to each object, so it's easy and save my time. Then I will also change the colors. So go to the shapes objects and change the color of the line. It's so easy. Do the same process like format painter, apply to each object line. That's it. It's easy peasy. Now you can add the text. Just select the objects and then write the text that you would like. You can change the colors, everything of the text. Just write it and go to the font size, or font colors, and you can change its color. That's it. And I will repeat the same process for format painter to change the colors of the text. That's it. Now you can see how it's easy and beautiful for font diagram is made. You can change the colors, add animation, whatever you want. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.